All right, we have two percentage questions that we have to solve. The first question is 108 is 72% of what number? And the second is what is 45% of 60? Now, at first glance, they may appear to be the same kind of question, but there is a slight difference. In this problem here, they give you the part and we have to figure out what the total is. Because it says 108 is 72%, which means part, or 72 parts out of every 100 of what number? So 108 is part of some total. We do not know what that total is, whereas over here we have to find the part because we are looking for part of 60, and that part is equivalent to 45%. So what we're going to do to solve each one of these is use our percent equation, which says that we can take our percent and multiply by the whole amount, and that would be equal to the part. So let's look at this first example here. So the percentage is given in the problem, 72%. So what we're going to do is write that as its decimal equivalent. And then what we're going to do is multiply that by the whole amount. Although with this example here, the whole amount is not given. They give us part of the whole. So what we're going to do is just write the word whole right now. You can represent this with a variable if you want to. But for now, I'm going to keep here just to emphasize the concept. And we're going to say that is equal to the part, which is given. In this case, it is 108. All right, to figure out what this whole amount would be, what we would do is the inverse of multiplication. Because whatever this whole amount is times 0.72 is going to be equal to 108. That means 108 divided by 0.72 will equal the whole. Now, I could write this algebraically. We can say 0.72x equals 108. And then to solve for x, we would just divide by 0.72 on both sides. That would turn this coefficient over here into 1x. And over here, 108 divided by 72 hundredths is equal to 150. So this is equal to the whole amount. Now over here, the given percentage is 45. So we're going to write 0.45, which is 45 hundredths. We're just writing 45 in the hundredths place, which as a fraction would be equal to 45 out of 100. And we're going to multiply that by the given whole, which in this case is 60. And when we multiply those two numbers together, we're going to get the part that we are looking for, which in this case is 27. Now, in the future, if you just recognize that they give you the part and you're looking for the whole, what you can do straight away is just take that part and divide it by the percentage written as a decimal. So you can just do 108 divided by 0.72. So when they give you the part, it is going to be a division problem. And whenever they give you the whole and you have to figure out what the part is, you just multiply that number by the given percentage as a decimal.